Hey, what's up, babe? Today we're just gonna take a picture. That's gonna be the whole thing. That's it.
Exciting.
Look at all the snow. For those of you that don't get snow. That did not go as planned at all. I was attempting to get the car to like rock in any way to try to just propel it over top of the snow to get it going, but that's a very slight downhill and it will only go backwards. So I think we might just end up taking our pictures right here. Jump in the car. Look, he jumped in the car himself. Goofball. Come on. Goofy, you're goofy. What are you being goofy for? Thank you, babe.
Peach.
Got a little bit of shoveling in, made a little runway. We're gonna try to get to the back of the yard, see how it goes. And that's a wrap. Thanks, babe. Got some puppies. Got the shovel my way back to the garage now. That should be fun. Alrighty, that was a lot of work. Got the car back in the garage after much shoveling. So much shoveling that I'm sweating out here. Walked a little track I made. First I got stuck back there like you saw. Had to clear a path. I stopped about right here and I was able to push the car through the snow. Got to here, took pictures. You remember that. Got stuck again, had to dig it out. Had to dig all this out because I got stuck again. Then I dig all this out because I got stuck again. You can see a pattern here. Then I said screw it and I dug the path the whole rest of the way, attempting to estimate where I needed to be with this here broken shovel. Came back and tried to hit the tracks I was already in. Had to drift a little bit through here, through some dirt and stuff. What are you gonna do? That was a ton of effort for a couple of pictures, but I hope you guys enjoy. I know Babe had fun, and the dogs too did too. All right, guys, let me know what you thought of that little one. Got the puppies in it a lot. They're sweet. Aren't they so sweet? The moose. Thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. We're just playing out in the snow. Got some pictures. I think it was fun. Did you have fun?
Yes. I like watching the dogs play in the snow.